Hi everyone, it's Doug from Beyond Territory, and in this episode I wanted to update you on my Stormcast Eternals from the Dominion Boxset. So I wanted to share with you my update for my Stormcast Eternals. This is everything from the Dominion Boxset, and putting them together. We don't usually, or I haven't yet, pieced them all as one or set them all up as one unit. And that is 1,210 points from the Dominion Boxset. So there's my Yndrasta, 300 points of the Celestial Spear. I have my Knight Arcanum, my Knight Vexilla, with the Banner of Apotheosis, 3 Praetors, leave it over there. My Lord Imperator, with his Gryph-hound. My 3 Annihilators. Then I love these guys, they look so cool. And being a battle line is even better. Plus another unit of 5. To lead this new force, I decided to go with Astra Soulblight on the Dracoth, just to connect with the Sequitors and my Evocators on Dracoths. I thought it would look visually quite appealing, having all these Dracoths riders in battle, charging as a Stormhost. She's a bit hit and miss for me on the games, but we'll see. Maybe with the new Stormhost characters that have come in with the Vindictors and etc., it might, and the Praetors, it might support her a little bit better on the field. So we'll see. So I've been building this Stormhost, this new one, and this is my Evocators on Dracoths. Pretty cool. I like this unit to play with, pretty meaty. Evocators on their own are pretty awesome, but on Dracoths, I like the impact they have on the battlefield. Next, I have 10 Sequitors, or 2 groups of 5. I'm not sure how to field them. Both work well, but I like the swords and shields, and the bigger hammer is always pretty cool. But that's my usual battle line. But now with the Vindictors as a battle line, who knows? Will they be replaced? Are they just going to add a different bit of variety to the field of battle? We'll see. But that's my normal battle line. I suppose this is where it all began. When I was playing Warcry, I decided to make a little unit of Vanguard Hunters and kind of chop and change them a little bit, make them a little bit more rustic and a bit war-y-like. Yeah, so 1 unit of 5 Vanguard Hunters. And finally, a group of 3 Vanguard Raptors. And last but not least is one of my favourite sculpts at the moment, the Gardas Steel Soul. He's an awesome character as well. Just as another leader hero to put in the force, which I thought was quite cool. And I got him before the Dominion Boxset came out, so I don't know how it's all going to fit together, but I'll do a few photos and put them all together and show you. Okay, so this is my force, my new Stormhost. What do you think? This is all of them put together. It looks quite an impressive sight putting them together. I quite like it. Don't usually set up all my minis in one big lump, but I've got into a bit of a habit at the moment, showcasing my progress. What do you think? What do you think of the army? Do you think I'm missing something? I don't have a ballista. I think I might need one of those, but see what it fares like on the battlefield. Next thing. What am I going to name this Stormhost? I need to come up with an idea. I need some names. If you could help us out, that'd be great. You send some comments below, some ideas for names for the Stormhost, please. That'd be awesome. And I'll let you know how I get on in a few games. Take care. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Hope it gave you some ideas for your own themed army. And yeah, I look forward to catching you next week. Take care. Bye.